loved it, like certainly impressed. It's nice and nimble, power delivery's awesome, playing with the modes, so much different to have. But yeah, very impressive.
Wow, it's got tons of snot. You just roll it on and it's like you got to hold on for dear life because it pulls like a train. And it stops really good too for such a, adventure bike. It stops on a dime, and it's just, yeah, easy to ride.
Just got back. It's bloody awesome. So you can see behind you, it's probably one of the first Harleys. You don't have to change the mirrors. The adjustable screen for someone that's 6'5" is bloody brilliant. The TFT screen, fantastic. Slow speed maneuverability, it's wicked. Brakes are good. You can tell the motor's going to have heaps of grunt. It's a brand new bike. The suspension's going to soften up even more. It's fantastic. It's really good.
Wow, awesome. I've been waiting for this for a long time. First impressions are really, really good. It's a bike that I could easily live with, really comfortable. Can't wait to do a few more miles on it. It's awesome.
I just got back for a ride on the Pan Am. Very, very much enjoyed it. Nice and smooth, very, very comfortable, really comfortable seat. It was a shame I had to come back to work actually, so definitely recommend taking it for a ride and just experiencing it for yourself.